Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect LG AC to the LG ThinQ app. Basically, we are going to be doing this connection via Wi-Fi on our phone, and by the end, after connecting your LG AC to the LG ThinQ app, you should be able to control and comfortably use your LG AC without having to use the remote all the time. Now the process is quite simple, but first things first, you have to make sure that your LG AC actually supports Wi-Fi connection for you to be able to connect it to the LG ThinQ app. Also, if you're using an older model of LG AC that does not support Wi-Fi connection, you do not have to worry. Towards the end of this video, I'm also going to give you a workaround solution with a different application that would work perfectly fine for any model of LG AC you have. And the first step you want to take is to go over to your mobile phone and then open up the Google Play Store. Search for the LG ThinQ application, which is basically this application from the search bar at the bottom over here. Tap on it and then make sure you download and install this application into your iPhone or Android phone. Now, once you have the app downloaded, you can go ahead and open it up and then set up the application. The process is quite simple. Just tap on the Get Started button at the bottom, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. You will also be required to sign into your LG account. If you do not have an account, you might be required to create an account to use the application. But once you have an account, just tap on sign in. You can also choose to sign in with Google as well. In my case, I'll go ahead and sign in with Google because I already have an LG ThinQ account. Basically, select my Google account linked with my LG. And now I am successfully signed into my LG ThinQ account. So you can just give it all of the permission it requires. Click on allow. At this point, what you want to do is to just tap on the add devices option over here. Go ahead and add the type of device you want to connect to your LG ThinQ app. In this case, it is an air conditioner. So select an air conditioner, then select the type of air conditioner as well. Mine is actually a wall mounted. So I'll select on the wall mounted over here. Give it a couple of seconds. And at this point, what you want to do is to just tap on the OK button. Tap on allow. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone as well. Click on OK at this particular point. Click on while using this app. If your LG AC actually has a QR code on any of the side, maybe on the right or on the left hand side, you can go ahead and scan the QR code using your phone's camera. Just over here, just scan the QR code and you're good to go. But if you do not have the QR code option, what you can do is to just tap on the cannot find QR code over here. Then tap on add device without QR code at the bottom as well. Now your LG ThinQ app will require you to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Just go ahead and enter your Wi-Fi password over here and then click on connect from over here and you're good to go. Now finally, you want to go ahead and get your LG AC remote. Mine is literally over here. Go ahead and make sure your LG AC is actually turned on, and then at this point, to turn on the Wi-Fi of the AC, you want to long press for 3 seconds the left and the right buttons of the temperature down button. So you want to go ahead and press on the 2 side buttons of the temperature down button. Just long press on both buttons for 3 seconds and you're going to see a Wi-Fi indicator at the top of your LG remote control. Another method is to basically just look for the Wi-Fi button. Sometimes you might be able to find it just at the top over here. Long press on the Wi-Fi buttons for 3 seconds and it should turn on Wi-Fi on your LG AC. Another method is to basically just long press on the mode button. Just press on it for about 3 seconds and again that might also turn on the Wi-Fi of your LG AC. You want to come back to your phone, go ahead and tap on the done button now and then just give it a couple of seconds to be able to find your LG AC. If in your case it keeps on failing and then you try to do it again and again and it's still not working, then it means that your own LG AC does not support Wi-Fi. But if yours supports Wi-Fi, you're going to see the name of your LG AC. It is just going to pop up. Go ahead and select the name of the AC, give it a nickname if you want, and then you should be able to control and completely use your LG AC without any problem. However, if you have tried to connect several times and your LG AC is unable to connect to the LG ThinQ application, then you want to try the second method, and this is specifically for LG ACs that do not support Wi-Fi connection. What you want to do is to go back to the home of your phone, navigate to the Google Play Store application, and then from the search bar over here, you want to search for the Mi Control application or Mi Remote application. For iPhones, you want to make sure you search for the Remote Master application. You can literally see the application over here. Make sure you download it and install it into your phone. Once this app is installed, just go ahead and open it up and then set it up. So click on agree over here and then just tap on the add a remote. Go ahead and select on the AC option from over here, and then from the list of brands of AC you're going to be given, you want to come over to the search input and then search for the LG AC option. You can see LG over here. I'll go ahead and select that, and now you're going to be given a couple of LG AC remote models to try and see which one works with your model of LG AC. So what you want to do is to continuously tap on this button over here to see which one actually turns on the AC or which one the AC actually responds to. I would recommend you go ahead and turn off the AC first, but make sure it is actually plugged to the power source. You want to go ahead and continuously tap on this power button. Make sure you're pointing your phone to the LG AC and then just tap on the power button and see which one actually works with your AC. So this one does not respond, you want to tap on no. You want to try another one. If it responds with your AC, you tap on yes, but if it does not respond, you tap on no. Continuously tap on all of the options until you find the one that works with your LG AC. Now you can see this one actually works with my LG AC and it actually just turned on the AC. And at this point, what you want to do is to just tap on the yes button over here, click on the check button at the top, and now you have a very good AC remote control that you can still use to control your LG AC. So basically your LG AC is now connected to your phone, and you can see this works absolutely well. It turns off the AC, and if I tap on it again, it turns on the AC. I can go ahead and increase the temperature of the AC with my phone, which is connected to my AC, or even reduce it directly from here if I want. There is also the option for you to set a timer and also other interesting features from over here. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.